Hey there, my tech fellows. Welcome back to the Everyday Talk, where we dive into the latest and greatest technological experiences tailored just for you. I'm your host Rahim, and today we are going to explore how the MacBook Pro M2 can seamlessly integrate into your daily workflow for YouTube, university, work, and even entertainment. So grab your favorite drinks, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. And hey, before starting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech insights. You can also find the daily workflow video or the same video as we are making this on the M2 MacBook Pro about the iPad in the description below or the I button above. Alright, let's set the scene. Today's digital age, we need devices that can keep up with our fast-paced lives. The MacBook Pro M2 promises to be a powerhouse, catering to various needs from academic pursuit to professional tasks and even creative projects in a much affordable price. But is it truly up to the task? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about university life. The MacBook Pro M2 is an exceptional tool for students with apps like Notion, Evernote, and Microsoft OneNote. Organizing your notes and assignments becomes seamless. The power of M2 chip means you can run heavy applications like MATLAB, AutoCAD, or even virtual machines without a hitch. For research, the Mac OS Safari browser offers remarkable speed and efficiency, while some other tools like Zotero makes managing your references a breeze. Imagine having your entire semester notes, research papers, and textbooks in one lightweight, trusty device. And with features like mission control, you can manage multiple desktops, keeping your study session clutter-free. So, students, what do you think? Could the MacBook Pro M2 be your new academic companion? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and while you are at it, hit the subscribe button for more tech tips. Next, let's delve into the professional world. The MacBook Pro M2 isn't just built for students, it's a powerhouse for professionals too. The M2 chip with its 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU ensures that multitasking is smooth and efficient. Whether you are drafting complex reports in Microsoft Word, managing projects with Asana, or analyzing data in Excel, the MacBook Pro handles it effortlessly. And with Mac OS Ventura, you can get incredible features like MacBook Pro and it handles it just effortlessly. Then the other features like focus mode to minimize distractions during your work hours, and all the other beautiful features even coming into the next Mac OS updates are going to make your professional life much easier. The touch bar offers quick access to the tools and shortcuts, streamlining your workflow through, although it is just personal preference, but as far as my experience goes, it is a great feature to have. And for video calls, the 1080p FaceTime HD camera and studio quality mics ensure you look and sound professional. So are you convinced yet? If not, maybe the next section will do the trick. And remember, subscribing to the channel means you will never miss out on a tech deep dives. So now let's talk about the content creators. For YouTubers and digital creators, the MacBook Pro M2 is a dream come true. Editing videos on professional softwares like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve is not only possible but incredibly efficient thanks to M2 chip's advanced processing power. The Liquid Retina XDR display and True Tone and P3 wide color gamut ensures that your visuals are vibrant and true to the life. Furthermore, the high quality built-in microphones and 1080p FaceTime HD camera are perfect for live streaming and recording videos. Additionally, the MacBook Pro supports Thunderbolt 4, allowing you to connect to external GPUs, monitors, and other peripherals, taking your production quality to the next level. And versatility of the MacBook Pro M2 means you can shoot, edit, and upload videos all from one device. So creators, are you already or are you ready to elevate your content? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips. So now, of course, all work and no play isn't the way to go. The MacBook Pro M2 is a fantastic device for entertainment as well. The Liquid Retina XDR display provides stunning visuals for streaming your favorite shows on Netflix or Disney+. The True Tone technology ensures that everything looks crisp and vibrant, while the high dynamic range or the HDR support brings movies and shows to life with incredible detail. And the high quality stereo speakers obviously deliver an immersive sound experience, perfect for listening to music, playing games, or catching up on your YouTube subscriptions. Speaking of which, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, I assure you guys that now's the perfect time. Finally, let's not forget about the accessories that enhance the MacBook Pro M2 experience. The Magic Mouse and the Magic Trackpad provides precise control, perfect for designers and artists. The Type-C or the USB-C ports allows you for easy connection to the variety of devices, whether it is for transferring data, charging, or connecting to the external display. The Thunderbolt 4 ports are especially versatile, providing fast data transfer, video output, and charging, making it easy to connect to everything from external drives to 4K monitors. And with the availability of various dongles and adapters, connecting external devices like USB multiple drives, SD cards, and monitors is a breeze. These accessories truly make the MacBook Pro M2 a versatile tool for any task. So finally, another important factor to consider in every workflow discussed above is the battery life and portability. The MacBook Pro M2 boosts up to 20 hours of battery life, ensuring it can keep you up with your busy day without any hassle. Whether you are attending classes, working on projects, or enjoying some downtime, and at just over 3 pounds, its weight is incredibly light and it is ultimately portable, making it an easy to carry around device in your backpack or bag. No more worrying about finding a power outlet during your day. Just charge it overnight and you are good to go with this extremely portable and powerful device. So is the MacBook Pro M2 the right device to handle or add in your daily workflow? From its powerful performance and versatile apps to its stunning display and seamless integration with our other Apple devices, it's clear that the MacBook Pro M2 is built to handle the demands of modern life. Whether you are studying, working, creating, or relaxing, this device offers great value. It's investment that can enhance your productivity and entertainment for years to come. What do you think? Are you ready to make the MacBook Pro M2 your daily companion? If you are already using the MacBook, let us know which model you have in the comments below. Share your thoughts and questions. We would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a quick thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on tech talk. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, as I always say, keep exploring and stay curious.